Okay, let's try these questions. They're pretty straightforward. They give you the three formulas you've got to use, and then they ask you to do the three things. First, determine the length of PQ. I don't like the formula like this. The distance is PQ. I like to go PQ squared, and then I don't have to worry about a square root thing until the very end. So then I do it. I just do what it says here. 3 minus minus 2, that's 3 plus 2. And then I subtract the y's. Minus 4 minus 1. Okay, so that's 5 squared. That's minus 5 squared. Together, 25 and 25 make 50. I go root 50, and my calculator will tell me, I take the square root of both sides, that the distance PQ is 5 root 2. You could write it as a decimal. I like to write it as a surd. That makes it easier for other questions. Let's determine the gradient. Well, you've already kind of done the work because you've got the change in y, you've got the change in x, and you just make a fraction. Minus 4 minus 1 over 5 plus 2. That's minus 5 divided by positive 5. The gradient of PQ is minus 1. Determine the midpoint of PQ. We'll call it R. Well, all you do is you add the x values. You go 3 plus negative 2, that's 3 minus 2 over 2. You go minus 4 plus 1, that's minus 3 over 2. 3 minus 2 over 2 is a half, and negative 3 halves. That's R. So there we go. 2.1, all done.